Hello, today I will be doing my video project on the tapeworm, which is one of the most specialized parasites in the animal kingdom. What is the tapeworm? The tapeworm, which belongs in class Cestoda, is a long and flat segmented obligate parasite that absorbs nutrients instead of feeding on other organisms. These um, tapeworms just feed onto the host in order to get all of its nutrients, and they can be found in the intestines of vertebrates. These vertebrates are things with uh, a backbone on their spine, and in these habitats, it's warm and nutrient dense, which is the perfect place for these guys to just do their nasty work. That is their adult form. As for their eggs and their larvae, this can be found in soil, water, or feces. For it to get into the soil and water, it has to go the animal, which initially has the tapeworms, has to excrete, and then the feces mixes with the soil and water. And whenever other animals eat these soil and water and feces with eggs in it, they grow in the next animal that it eats. And then whenever we eat the meat, we, if we don't cook it, we'll ingest the eggs and then we will obtain the tapeworm, which is not good. As for how it eats, it has no mouth or digestive system. It literally just absorbs the nutrients through its teguments, which are the um, plates that are around its skin, and it's reliant on the host. So if you eat a very nice, juicy, nutrient-dense steak, then the tapeworm can only eat what we have eaten. So it will get a good amount of that um, juicy steak that we just ate. As for the predator and prey relationships, parasitism is the symbiotic relationship that it um, works with, and it's negative for the host, obviously, and positive for the tapeworm, as it just takes all of our nutrients from our intestines. The host provides food and a habitat for them, and these guys are smart, as they rarely kill the host because that would kill them too. And their biggest threat to their life is our immune system and what we put in our immune system, such as medicine, stomach acid. Both of those can take those out of our system. Their evolved traits are the scolex, which you can see on this image. You can see that these things have suckers and they attach to your inner intestinal wall where they do all their nasty work. Their proglottids are all those segments. There's probably around 50 of them in that image, and that's where they absorb all of their nutrients from our intestines. Their flat body, which um, improves how much they can take in as it's flat and there's more surface area, and they have no digestive system. And all those years of not needing, or rather, just feasting on all of our nutrients and those proglottids and flat body traits made it so that it doesn't need a digestive system. It just takes the nutrients straight from our body and straight into their body. As for the tree of life, its domain is Eukarya, its kingdom is Animalia, its phylum is, excuse me if I'm wrong if I can't pronounce this, is the Platyhelminthes, and its class is the Cestoda class. You can see in this image, it's clad with just the Platyhelminthes, and you can see the Cestoda and its other friends, the flukes and the planarians, along with the tapeworms in that clade right there. What is the importance of this organism, whether it be bad or good? For the ecosystem, it helps regulate the host populations. So if there's too many cows or too many um, pigs, the tapeworm regulates it so they don't overpopulate any given area. As for humankind, they help us with medical research, as there have been some articles of it potentially stopping cancer cells from replicating. Um, it causes disease, obviously, and it used to be used for weight loss in the Victorian era, where they used to ingest a tapeworm, and it takes around about 1,000 calories a day. which is obviously now condemned. That is not safe whatsoever. Um, in order to obviously make you lose weight. Thank you. Those are all the sources that I used.